your clients are relying on you for a good inspection report and for you to be able to inspect the house fully so that, they don't have to pay for it down the line.
There's like two reasons you would get a home inspection. Like if you are buying a home, you got to get a home inspection. If you're a homeowner, if you're a renter, you should get your home inspection, apartment inspected, just to complain to the landlord to fix stuff. Because landlords, they need to know. They're not in the home, so you need to tell them what's wrong with the home. It'd be a really good idea if you're a renter in an apartment, even if it's brand new, have a home inspection. Like brand new stoves, gas-fired stoves, fail. They give off carbon monoxide. They have to. If it's a fuel that's burning. Is it a safe level or a non-safe level? You can have a home inspector tell you, and that'd be a really good. So if you're a buyer, you don't know what you're looking for, right? You don't know what is being painted over. You don't know what's being hidden. So you need this professional to come in and tell you that everything's okay. Or maybe something is a little wrong, but you can move in and fix it later, right? Or maybe there's something really serious, and let's take a second look at it. Let me show you what it is. You make a decision, maybe it's financial, or they're going to knock the price down. So you can save some money in that way. But no matter who you are, whether you're a home buyer, a home seller, or a renter, or a building owner, knowledge is power. If you know the condition of the home or building, then you have incredible power. You have something that no one else has. And a home inspector can give you that by walking around and telling you information that no one else can tell you. There's no one else on the planet. You can't do AI. AI can't do this. A robot can't come in and do what a home inspector does. This is a unique professional that is a third-party neutral professional too. So the information that I give to my clients as a home inspector, I write a report. You can trust it because I am not in the business of fixing anything. So if I pull up to a home inspection and I tell you that, man, all of your windows are leaking, they're rotted, and it's a really bad situation with like a dozen windows. They all got to be replaced, You're losing energy and it's not very safe and all that stuff. I didn't pull up with a dozen windows in my truck. I tell you the windows are shot and then I leave. It's up to you to apply that knowledge now and get things done. And that's what a home inspector does. It's really amazing. Really good information for just about I think every home should be inspected. I think every home and building should be inspected and give that information to someone who really needs it. The occupant, so that they know they're safe, or the building owner, so that they know that the occupants are going to be safe, or the buyer, so that they know that the home they're buying is in good shape, or the seller, so that they don't have to negotiate, during the real estate transaction. They fix the stuff that's wrong, and then they sell a really nice home.